It's getting warm here in Melbourne. I'm gonna share with you how to make cold brew Sencha mint tea. I'm going to use a scale for tea leaves. You may see how many spoons to use on instruction or something, but there are many different shapes each tea leaves. That's why I recommend to use it to make sure. I'm gonna use a decanter from Chayo, but anything's fine with 1 liter. And please prepare a tea strainer. I have a Sencha tea leaves from Kyoto. It doesn't need to be Sencha, you can use any tea leaves you like. But I love to add some matcha to make it a bright green color. And this matcha is from Kyoto. I got this from Chayo Japanese Cafe premium grade. And I washed some organic mints from my garden. I use tap water since it's soft water in Melbourne, but I recommend it to boil and cool it down before you use, or filtered water if you have time. Okay, I'm going to scale Sencha tea leaves 10 grams for 1 liter water. Oops. I made a mess. I heard it's easy to explode aroma when you gently smash the mint, so I do that all the time, but please let me know if it's wrong. I'm going to prep tea strainer before adding matcha. I love to add matcha in cold brew. It became so bright and delicious as I said. Okay, let's pour water gently. No rush needed. I will keep it in the fridge for more than 8 hours. Please do not move too much. It will become too bitter. I am so excited for tomorrow. I am so glad I made a nice chilled cold brew this sunny day today. Be sure to take out the tea strainer gently. It's very refreshing. I hope you will enjoy it too. Thank you so much for watching.